What's going on? Welcome to my newest listing, 2060 Reseda Way here in beautiful Antioch, California. 4 bedrooms? Check. 2 bathrooms? Check. Freshly landscaped backyard? Check. Single story? Check. Go on in, take a look, let me know what you guys think. And I forgot to tell you, side access, check. If you guys want some more information, you can always reach out to me directly, 925-584-5975, or go check out the website, 2060reseda.com, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.